Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at TradeStation. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. TradeStation is a licensed and regulated US stockbroker that was founded in 1982, and its parent company is Monex Group. This broker has been around for a very long time and is regulated by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. TradeStation offers low-cost, commission-free trading and thousands of instruments, including stocks, ETFs, options, futures, mutual funds, IPOs, and cryptocurrencies. We highly recommend trading with TradeStation if you are new to trading and if you are looking for a broker with high-quality educational resources. Not only is TradeStation a beginner-friendly broker, but the platforms also have advanced level trading tools and in-depth market analysis for professional traders. TradeStation offers a user-friendly website, and you can find everything you need by choosing an option directly from the menu bar. The homepage highlights some of the perks of being a client, such as 50% off futures trading fees, commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, and the tools and platforms you can use. If you would like to learn more about the trading conditions of it, the accounts you can open, the platforms you can use, and the instruments you can trade, simply choose an option from the menu bar. You will find legal documentation and other important company details at the very bottom of the homepage, along with a disclaimer and links to TradeStation's social media channels. TradeStation is a popular ETFs broker, and there are more than 2,000 commission-free ETFs that you can trade. TradeStation also offers a variety of major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, USD Coin and Ether. There is also a wide range of options, futures and stocks that you can trade with this broker. The TradeStation IPO platform can be used to buy stocks in upcoming companies, and it is similar to a launchpad platform. IPO stocks with TradeStation are commission-free, and you can buy them directly from the mobile application. If you will be using the IPO platform, you will need to have a minimum balance of $500 in your account. TradeStation also offers mutual funds and bonds. Mutual funds are a great option if you are looking for ways to diversify your portfolio. And some of the mutual fund families available through TradeStation include Blackrock Funds, Fidelity Funds, Royce Funds, and dozens of others. If you are looking for a way to earn a consistent income, we recommend investing in bonds. TradeStation offers a variety of options for bonds, and daily market insights are provided to assist you with making more informed decisions. The account you open will depend on the instruments you trade and the platforms you'll be using. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with TradeStation, simply click on the Trading Products tab. With TradeStation, when you deposit $500, you can get an extra $150 when you open a securities account. You can also get up to $150 worth of Bitcoin when you deposit at least $500 into your crypto account. We recommend using the fully paid stock lending program if you'll be trading stocks, as your stock positions could earn you extra income. If your stock positions meet certain conditions, you'll receive a share of the interest earned by TradeStation on a daily basis. The TradeStation customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can contact them directly from the website using the live chat button. You can also contact the support team on social media platforms or click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the homepage to view their email addresses and telephone numbers. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered, and you will find helpful user guides here if you require help on managing your account or using the platforms and tools. TradeStation offers individual accounts, joint accounts, retirement accounts, and entity accounts. In this review, we will be mainly focusing on the trading accounts offered by TradeStation. If you are trading for the first time, you can open a demo account and trade in a risk-free simulated environment using virtual currency. We would recommend individual accounts for casual traders, retail traders, and active traders. No minimum deposit is required when you open a TS Go account. However, a minimum deposit of at least $2,000 is required to open a TS Select account. You can fund your account using more than 6 base currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Both accounts offer commission-free stock trading and ETF trading. The TS Go account is suitable for casual traders and beginners, while the TS Select account will give you access to exclusive TradeStation tools, such as Options Station Pro and Portfolio Maestro. You can use either account to trade all the available instruments, and if you are a high-volume trader, you will find that trading fees are very low. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions TradeStation offers, simply click on the Accounts tab. TradeStation offers award-winning proprietary applications and platforms that can be used on desktops and mobile devices. The first platform this broker offers is a desktop platform with intuitive market scanning tools, customizable charts, advanced order management functionality, and fully automated strategy-based trading. You can use TradeStation's proprietary programming language to backtest and automate your trading strategies. TradeStation also offers a radar screen scanning tool that helps you identify trading opportunities based on AI-generated trading algorithms. The desktop platform can be used with a highly advanced order entry matrix tool and accurate order tracking system. It can also be used in the simulated trading mode if you want to practice trading and test your strategies in a risk-free environment. The web trader has all the same features, however no installation is required and it uses cloud technology. You also have the option of using the mobile application for more convenience. TradeStation offers a powerful mobile application with intuitive features such as hot lists, an advanced matrix, and real-time quotes. You can also browse and customize trading strategies using the mobile application and set custom alerts on your favorite instruments. The mobile application also comes equipped with built-in indicators, and you can analyze charts in great depth without using your desktop. If you'll be trading futures, we recommend trying TradeStation's Futures Plus platform. This platform is designed specifically for trading futures, is free to use, and provides free market data. It can also be used to create trading strategies for futures and has intuitive risk management tools. You can use Futures Plus on mobile devices, tablets, and desktops. TradeStation also offers a dedicated crypto trading platform called TS Crypto. This application can be used on both desktops and mobile devices and is a one-click order platform with powerful analysis tools. TS Crypto is beginner-friendly, however it has advanced algorithms, a fully customizable interface, and professional-level charting features. TradeStation offers 2 proprietary tools which are free to use when you open a TS Select account. One of which is the Options Station Pro, which is an analysis tool that provides graphic representations of strategies, and it can be used to configure orders when trading options. And the other is the Portfolio Maestro, which is a backtesting tool that can be used to analyze your portfolio, monitor performance, and manage your risks. In order to learn more about the platforms and tools you can use as a TradeStation client, simply click on the Platform and Tools tab. Creating an account with TradeStation may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the TradeStation homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. And once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. TradeStation is one of our top-rated brokers for beginners because this broker offers commission-free trading, demo accounts, and no deposit is required to open an account. If you click on the Learn tab, you will find direct links to beginner's guides, platform tutorials, user manuals, and retirement planning tips. However, if it is your first time trading, simply click on the New to Trading tab or Learn to Trade tab to learn the basics of trading. There are also plenty of useful guides that you can read through to learn how to use the TradeStation platforms and tools. Over the years this broker has been in operation, TradeStation have won many awards, and most recently, this broker was awarded for being the best broker for stock trading and research, for having the best platforms, and for being the best broker for active trading, options trading, and futures trading. Overall, TradeStation is one of our top-rated American stock brokers for active traders and beginners. TradeStation offers commission-free trading on thousands of instruments, and there are multiple platforms and tools that you can use to optimize your trading experience. TradeStation's accounts are flexible, and you can use this broker for retirement savings and for investing in stocks, as well as trading options, futures, or cryptocurrencies. This broker is also a great option if you are considering adding bonds or mutual funds to your portfolio. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account today and diversify your portfolio with TradeStation. And that is our overview of TradeStation. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.